Hello and welcome to Full Stack T3 Stack course. In this course, we are gonna build a full stack blog application which has amazing features like comment on a post, like a post, bookmark a post, search feature, and a lot more. So let me give you a quick demo of what we are going to build, and let me also show you what is the T3 stack. What is the T3 stack and why we are choosing T3 stack to build this full stack blog application. This course is a project based course, which means you will learn these technologies by building a project, because building a project is the best way to learn anything. So let's start. Because we are using TypeScript, everything will be type safe end to end. We will be using the React framework, NextJs. We will be using TypeScript tRPC. tRPC is a end-to-end type safe APIs, which means just like that you can directly call the APIs from the front end like just calling a function, and you will see that everything is type safe. We will be using Prisma to make our life easier with the database. We will be using PostgreSQL as our primary database, and for the CSS part we will be using Tailwind CSS, and for the authentication part we will be using NextAuth. This is a super powerful tech stack if you want to build your application faster. It will give you a great developer experience. So let me show you what we are going to build. So this is what we are going to build. You can see all the blocks are listed here. You can click on this plus button to bookmark a post, but it will not work now because we are not logged in. So let's sign in and let's see how this works. So if we click on the sign in, it will take us to the page where we will click on the sign in with Google button. You can choose sign in with Google, Discord, Facebook, and many more options are available with NextAuth library, which is an awesome package or a library we can say. So here we will log in with our Gmail account. So now we are logged in. Now if we click on the plus button, we can bookmark a post. If we click on a post, we can see this. Here we can go, we can comment this. This is a comment here. This is the style of medium. We can see that if we click on the comment, this will make our comment nice and easy. Now we click on cross. It is actually updating. Now if you go here, all things will be saved to the database. Here you can now save this post to your reading list. You can click on them. You can also update blog image, but this blog is not ours, so we can't do that. So first let's try to make a new blog post. Okay, so now we will create a post. So creating a post, we can create a new tag here like this. So we will create NextJs. Now we will say NextJs is an awesome framework of React.js like this. Now if we click on create, this tag will be added successfully, and now we can choose it over here. So there are a lot of tags you can see. So instead of like, we can also filter out like this NextJs, and we click on enter, it will be added to the blog post like this. And we don't want to add this text, so we can click on cross, it will be removed. Now we will create a post with dummy data with lorem ipsum. So let's copy this. This is our title, this is our description, and now you can see here this is a rich text editor. We will also implement a rich text editor. What does rich text editor means? So here our text will be saved as a HTML, and then we will render our HTML inside our application, and I will teach you how to do that. We are using Quill library to achieve rich text editor feature. Okay, so now we can say we will copy our dummy data from here. Like let's copy 3 paragraphs, paste it here. It's good and awesome. Let's do some line breaks, make something bold, make something italic. Let's post some link over here. Nice. And let's make it a list. If we click on save button, something will happen. It will try to save our post to the backend, but it will say that the title must contain at most 40 characters. So title can't be greater than 40 characters. The description must contain 95 letters. So we will implement all these validations for our form. Now it is characters are greater than 95, so it's working. And now if you click on the create, the post will be saved and our post will be shown in the feed in the timeline. So let's enter create. Here our post is. So this post is posted by us. This is all the seed data. I will also tell you how to seed the data, how to write a seed script for yourself by using a faker.js library. If you click on this, you can see our text is rendered nicely. Okay, our text is rendered nicely. You can see this is bold. This is our description. This is our image, but there is not image because we haven't selected that. So now we can select our image from here. So let's write React.js So the images are fetched from Unsplash. So I don't like any image, so let's write JavaScript, and now it will refetch, and I think this is a cool image, or this is a cool, let's confirm it. So this will be automatically updated over here. See how cool is that? This is our title, this is our description, and everything is working fine and awesome. So now you can see this is our post. We can also save our own post as a reading list if you want. So now it is saved, it is shown here now. Okay, another feature, we can like, we can comment. Let me show you now the profile page. If you click on this button, you can visit any user's profile page by clicking over here. If you click over here, you will see this user has 8 posts. You can copy the link, which will be copied by the username. You can change your username later. These are all the posts of this user. Now there is a feature where you can change the profile picture of the user. So if you click on this, you can change the profile picture of the user. Okay, so here now I will change the profile picture to mine. So profile, I will click on this, and now it will be saved. You will see the profile will be updated automatically like this. Okay, so the profile is updated, that's all. And one more thing, this is an infinite scroll feature. So at a time only 10 posts are being fetched. So you can see over here, if you scroll to the bottom, the posts are being fetched 10 again and again. So all the posts are not fetched at once, so it will not make our server hang, or our server will not get a much load one time. So it is an infinite scroll feature. So I will also teach you how to implement a infinite scroll feature. This is all about the application, but this is not finished as of now. Let me tell you a cool feature. You can also see the suggestions over here. There are no suggestions as of now because there is only one profile of mine here. Okay, but if you create a new profile, okay, so if we create a new profile, so let me just create a new profile over here. So you can see this is my another profile. Okay, and if I try to, let me make it bigger, so you can see there is not a single post in reading list, or there are no suggestions because I haven't liked any of the post. But if I like 1 or 2 posts which is liked by another user, then the suggestions queue will work. So now let me like this post. So you can see there is already 1 like because from the previous profile I liked that post. Now you will see this is suggestions. Now you can also follow this user. I will teach you how you can implement the follow unfollow feature functionality. So that's all. If you want to enroll in this course, please enroll and learn. You will learn a lot of things in this course. How you can build a fully stack, fully featured blog application using the T3 stack, using tRPC, NextJs, Prisma, NextAuth, and Tailwind CSS. And I will see you inside my course.